If your Travato came equipped with a roof rack, you may also have the ladder that's stored on the back. Currently, this ladder is in the storage position. You never want to climb on the ladder when it is in this position. This is purely for storage and for travel. The steps to undoing the ladder are, first, it comes with a key. You would slide the desk cap off so that you can access the lock. I've already unlocked this one, so I'm ready for step 2. Turn the knob and release that. Make sure you store it somewhere where you will not lose it. You'll definitely want it later to lock it up. Now you're ready to take the ladder off of the cargo door. You'll do this by pulling the bottom away from the van. And then the top of the ladder needs to also be released from the hooks. Now you're ready to position the ladder on the roof rack. You'll notice that the protective panels run all the way down the driver's side of the van. Choose where you'd want to locate it on the roof rack. Obviously, you're not going to put it where the crossbars are. Lift the ladder. Position the top. You may want to tug on it to make sure it's tight up there, and you'll notice that the feet of the ladder are securely planted on the protective panels. Now you're ready to access the rooftop for cleaning your solar panels, maintaining any of the items up on the roof, or accessing storage that you may have chosen to put up there. When you're ready to replace the ladder on the back cargo door, just release it from the roof rack. And you'll reverse the order of the process. The top hooks will not be hooking on anything. The top rung hooks in the hooks at the top, and then the bottom rung has the hole that will allow you to attach it to the screw and the knob. After you've secured the ladder to the back cargo door, you'll finish by locking it in place. Return the cap to its original position on the bottom rung. Make sure it's nice and snug. You'll feel it pull in, and then you'll be able to take the key and do your final lock.